An animated introduction vividly explains the Pythagorean theorem, unveiling its foundational importance in measurement. In the microscopy lab, a biologist peers intently into a microscope, their focus absolute as they delve into the intricate world of cellular structures. Animated overlays dance across the microscopic view, revealing the Pythagorean theorem in action, precisely calculating distances within the cell. In the sterile, clinical environment of the medical imaging lab, a doctor delves into the intricacies of an MRI scan, seeking answers hidden within the shadows and light. As the doctor studies the scan, animations illuminate the screen, revealing the elegant dance of the Pythagorean theorem in the complex art of 3D reconstruction. A split screen unveils a stark contrast: manual versus digital precision in biological analysis, revealing a dramatic leap in efficiency. Manual methods are tedious, yet the digital calculation appears to be swift and accurate.